Well, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google and browse the internet on your PlayStation 4. So we want to go to the internet browser, and this will be located in the library. Then go down to applications, go to the right. Here's the internet browser right here. Now open this up, and if we go to search, this is going to default to google.com. So let's press triangle, and then we can just type something in. So let's do Halo, and then press R2. And this is going to go to Google search now, where we can see the images. So we can go to this and we can make this full screen or something. And then we can take a screenshot too of this if we want. So let's take a screenshot, and then we can edit our screenshot, or we can make it full screen. So very easy to use Google and the internet browser on your PlayStation 4. Just access it right there. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.